Hi everyone，您好 ，Welcome to Smart Mandarin。我是 Maggie，您好吗 ？This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. Foundation Chinese, most popular radicals. Last time we learned 10 common radicals. This time we will look at another 15 most popular ones. These radicals are equivalent to 26 letters in English. They are the components of the Chinese characters. Food radical. This character, fan, has a food radical on the left. It means meal. 吃饭, eat meal means have meal. 饭饿 also has food radical on the left. It means hungry. 饿饱 again food radical on the left. It means full. 饱饭 meal 饿 hungry 饱 full. Animal radical 猫 meow is a cat. There is an animal radical on the left. 猫狗 dog. Again, animal radical on the left. 狗猪 is a pig. Of course, is animal. 猫 cat, 狗 dog, 猪 pig. Roof radical 家 roof on the top and a pig underneath. It means home or family. 家宝 roof on the top and jade on the bottom. It means treasure or baby. We call 宝宝, that's baby. 宫 roof radical on the top and two mouths underneath. It means palace. 宫家 home or family. 宝 treasure. 宫 palace. Gold and metal radical. Yin, we have metal on the left, means silver. Yin. 钱 metal on the left. It means money. The old money were all coins, and coins were made of metal. 钱铁 again a kind of metal. It's iron. Yin silver, 钱 money, 铁 iron. Bamboo radical 块 bamboo on the top and 块 on the bottom. Another phonetic noun means chopsticks. 块笔 means brush and pen. Bamboo on the top and hair on the bottom. That is a Chinese calligraphy brush, a kind of pen. 块笔 Silk radical. This is the character of silk, 丝. This is how to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 丝纸 means paper, also contains a silk radical. Because silk was invented before paper, and the Chinese firstly wrote on silk. 织 to weave also contains the silk radical. 丝 silk, 纸 paper, and 织 to weave. Foot radical. 跑 to run. Of course, we use our foot to run. 跟 means follow. Also has foot radical on the left. 跟 T to kick. We use our foot to kick. T 跑 to run. 跟 to follow. T to kick. Inclusion radical. Let's look at this character. 国 a city wall outside and a king inside means kingdom. This character is Wang means king, and with this dot, this character is jade, is Yu. 国 Yuan, an enclosure outside, and Yuan inside is park. 回 enclosure outside and the mouth inside, it means return. 回家 return home. 国 kingdom, Yuan park, 回 return. Illness radical. Let's look at this character, 病, and this one, 疼, and this one, 痛. They all contain illness radical. 病 means ill or illness. 疼 means pain. 痛 also means pain. 疼痛 This is the word for pain. 疼痛 病 ill, 疼 pain, 痛 pain. Westar Radical. 要 means want, the Westar Radical on the top. 票 ticket also has Westar Radical on the top. These two characters are interesting. Running radical. This is how we write it. 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. 远 There is a running radical in it. It means far. 远 运 again, running radical. It means to move. 远 far. 运 move. Outskirt radical. 同 means same. 周 means circle and weak. They all contain outskirt radical. 同周 seal radical. 节 means not or festival. 爷 means grandpa. These two characters both contain seal radical. 节爷 Knife radical. 立 There's a rice plant on the left and a knife on the right. It means sharp or profit. Be careful with benefits. They are sharp. 刻 Again, there's a knife on the right. it means carve. 利 sharp or profit. 刻 to carve. Soil radical is also a character. 土 沉 small 小 on the top. Soil 土 on the bottom is dust. 沉去 soil radical 土 on the top. It means to go. 地 soil on the left. It means earth. 沉 dust. 去 to go. 地 earth also means place. That's all for today. Most frequently used radicals. So far, we have come across the ways of creating Chinese characters, pictograms, ideograms, and phonetic nouns. I hope that you are confident in identifying the strokes, components, and ideas of the characters. In the next few sessions, we will go through the main methods of how to construct and create words. Thank you for watching. Well done you. 谢谢，再见. If you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.